There was a regular faculty feedback to mention, because every day you interacted with some faculty in a very informal way other than the classes, regular classes, and he or she would tell you, okay, what are your plans? He or she would, there are some places where you walk up to the faculty, and at SECAC there were times when the faculty walked up to you, they used to come and ask, okay, Anamika, I heard about this, and are you do you think you should rework on this, or do you think you should get help from us? Because it was kind of mutual relationship that we shared. But one particular faculty feedback, I won't say, it was kind of faculty reaction that helped me um, continue with my conference that I started with while I entered in the college. It was Mr. Rahul Dhawan sir. He was our PR faculty, public relation faculty, and we were asked to make presentations on various topics. We were a team of 7 people, and when you are in a team, something somewhere lacks. It's a kind of universal phenomenon that something somewhere lacks. You can't always be a perfect team. So we made a presentation on the same topic 6 times in a row, every week, and all the 6 times we were asked that, okay, this is not what we wanted from you, and we were given lesser points. We were asked to rework on our points. We were asked to rework on the way of presentation. So it was kind of negative thing that crept in my mind, and I slowly started getting a feel that I should go a little way higher than my own level. I will have to push myself, my own level of boundaries that I am stuck with, to come out with something excellent, outstanding, to impress my faculty. So it's always a rejection that helps you do that. It's always a rejection that could give such a thought in your mind. So seventh time when we were presenting, there's a question session that goes after 10 minutes of presentation, and I was asked something which was purely related to politics, and I was not very comfortable with the subject. But just to prove my point, just to prove my team, just to prove that this is our time and I am going to win it over, I uh, gathered some points from somewhere that came in my mind, and I just said something that was accepted by my faculty, and there was a clapping that went after that, and I was so happy with that. So it's like, you shouldn't give after a second or third time. There's always a seventh time. So right now, when I run my own agency, there's a presentation, and when someone rejects it, I come out smiling, because I know there's a seventh time.